Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to grow microgreens from seeds. Microgreens are packed with nutrients and can be grown easily at home. In this video, we will show you the materials and steps needed to grow microgreens from seeds. To grow microgreens, you will need a container, potting soil, seeds, a spray bottle, and water. Choose a container that is shallow and wide. It should allow for drainage and be able to hold at least 2 inches of soil. Before planting your seeds, prepare the container by filling it with potting soil. Moisten the soil with water and level the surface. You can use a small piece of cardboard to create furrows for even seed placement. Spread the seeds evenly on the soil surface and press them gently into the soil. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and moisten them with the spray bottle. Keep the soil moist throughout the growing process. Place the container in a warm and bright location. It is best to use a grow light or place it near a sunny window. The seeds will begin to germinate in a few days and you will see small sprouts. Water the microgreens regularly and keep them in a warm and bright location. They should be ready to harvest in about 2 weeks. You can use scissors to clip the microgreens above the soil and enjoy them on salads or in sandwiches. Congratulations! You have successfully grown microgreens at home. Remember to enjoy your fresh and nutrient-packed microgreens. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on how to grow microgreens from seeds.